Hello and happy holidays! In this tutorial, I have 3 different ways to make fondant gift bows. They're quite simple and they make really fun and impressive cake and cupcake toppers. You can find my fondant recipe on my website and on my channel here. Coloring this piece of fondant red, I rolled it out and I'm using the Wilton ribbon fondant cutter. With the 1/2-inch spacers attached, I rolled out some ribbon. Next, we're going to make several loops with the ribbon, similar to how you'd make maybe like an awareness ribbon shape, but leaving the ends more pointed. I'm just brushing on a little water to help hold the tails together, then I trimmed them down a little bit. I'm keeping this bow small because it's going on a very small cake, but you could definitely make it as big or as small as you wanted. I made quite a few of these and I let them dry for a few hours. You could certainly let them dry overnight as well. Just need to be slightly harder and able to keep their shape for the next part. Also went through and trimmed off more of the tails, as you can see here too. Starting with a fresh piece of fondant, flatten it out into a little circle here and attach some of your loops around it like a flower shape. You can use a little brush of water to help attach it to the fondant piece as well. After you have the first layer down, I think I used about 6 on my first layer, you can go ahead and start the second layer. Arrange these in a ring inside of and on top of your first layer, just like this. And again, since I'm keeping this bow small, I can only fit about 3 more inside the second layer. But if you're making a larger bow, I would make a few more loops to begin with. Now I'm just going through and adding a little brush of water anywhere the pieces are in contact with each other to make sure they're more stable. And then a fun but of course optional step is to add some edible glitter to your gift bow. Here's what it looks like. Let it dry overnight. I'm also making a coordinated gift tag here using an alphabet embossing stamp set and a gift tag cutter. Lastly, to attach your gift bow and tag to your cake or cupcake, just add a little dot of fresh buttercream and pop it on top. Next type of bow we're going to make are curly ribbons. This one I'll also be using the Wilton fondant ribbon cutter with the 1/4-inch spacers attached. Dusted some cake dowels with some cornstarch to prevent the fondant from sticking, and then I'm just spiraling these around each dowel. You could also use straws or pens or pencils or the handles of brushes or fondant tools for this. After you've finished curling all your ribbons around your dowels, make sure to allow these dry at least overnight, and you should be able to slide them off. Be careful, they are thin, so they're quite delicate. Again, optional, but fun to add some edible glitter in a matching color. Be gentle if you add any glitter or luster dust to these because they are delicate. I also made a matching gift tag for this bow as well. To add the ribbons to your cake, I'm just using a few dots of fresh buttercream and sticking these in. It's alright if a few fall down flat. You do want some sticking straight up, some laying down, and some more sideways to look like a big curled ribbon. Add as many dabs of buttercream as you need to stick the ribbons in. Could also go in with a little brush of water anywhere the fondant pieces are contacting each other to add a little more stability if you liked to. And here's what this one looks like. Our last gift bow style is with 2 fondant rectangles. They don't need to be perfect, just close. Again, make them as large as you want to. This is just going on a very small cake, so I need to keep it small. Cut your rectangles in half, and I'm just positioning some makeup wedges I've cut in half inside the loops to give it some movement and keep them open. Touch the ends with some water and squish them between your fingers like a little accordion. End up with 2 pinched loops like this, and then you can pinch one on top of the other. Brush a little more water on top to help connect them. Then make a very small rectangle with the same color. This goes right on top. The little ribbon tails, just cut 2 long strips. Also use the Wilton ribbon cutter for this, but since I was just making 2, I just cut them out freehand. Also position these over some makeup wedges to give them some movement, and then you'll want to let all these pieces dry overnight. Once again, this part is optional, but I did also add some edible glitter dust to this as well as a matching gift tag. Add this to your cake. Simply just add a dollop of buttercream, put the tails down first, and then pop the bow on top. This is what this gift bow looks like. Let me know which of these 3 are your favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and happy holidays again.